I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to start taking apart the front clip on this thing because the front clip's got to be pulled off for the motor to come out. The old cam meister is playing with that there. So I'm going to start ripping all this apart. I already showed you in the last little video, she runs and starts. First thing I'm going to do is take off the hood, which is like these bolts. And then we're going to start getting to taking all this off. This is going to be, this is not going to be fun. But we'll get it done. So I'll throw you on a time lapse of me pulling everything off. Beautiful piece of machinery. It's a Suzuki
125 ALT.
125 ALT.
And it is for sale.
Yes, well, I'll just leave your Instagram in the description below if people want to contact you.
Ow, it hurts.
Well, he's ain't play with that.
Warm up.
Well, that runs. He's ain't play with that as I play with this.
back of the
See,
trailer.
I laugh. I can see better through the camera than I can my own eyes.
That's funny.
So as you can see, front clip's all taken apart. I can touch the front of the motor. So I got the whole front clip off, as you can see by the video telling. It's pretty easy. I was surprised that the bumper was only 6 bolts for the bumper. The rad cradle is just the 2 bolts there, and then along the fenders, and then all the extra hardware connecting to the fenders for the airbox mounts and the battery mounts. So you disconnect all that, and then you can pull the rad off, which is fairly easy. It's pretty much all 15s, 13s, and 10s millimeters, because GM. Pulling the rad was hard. These here, a little tip for doing the transcooler lines. There's a little clip you pull with a pick. You can just pull the pin out, and then these just slide out. That's a little tip for that. But she's out mostly. So next video you're going to see is they pull all the wiring harness off, undo all the mounts and everything, because they pull the transmission with it. So I got to disconnect the exhaust, the rest of the wiring harness, the motor mounts, and the drive shaft. Disconnect all that, and then we can pull it, and then this motor's gonna come out. But there's a lot of stuff that need to come out just to get that little thing out. Oh. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time in the next video.